It reaches from Chicago to the city of L.A. 3,000 miles of ties and rail make up the Santa Fe, a product of blood, sweat, and tears, and it's #1 today. It's Santa Fe all the way. Well, a big old freight just left the yards, burning up the rails. The headlight gleams and the whistle screams, a lonesome sound and wail. Hot loads rolling for the coast, we'll be there in 3 days on the Santa Fe all the way. A million gandy dancers were spiking down the tracks when the future of our country was riding on their backs. They came through in flying colors, and it's still that way today on the Santa Fe all the way. Well, a big old freight just left the yards, burning up the rails. The headlight gleams and the whistle screams, the lonesome sound and wail. Hot loads rolling for the coast, we'll be there in 3 days on the Santa Fe all the way. You can take it from old Johnny, I've rode them railroad tracks from Fort Madison, Iowa to the Corbett yards and back. When you read it on a boxcar, believe them when they say it's Santa Fe all the way. Well, the big old freight just left the yards, burning up the rails.